Number 7, 189 describes the offerings made by the leaders of the 12 tribes of Israel during the consecration of the tabernacle. Each tribal leader brought identical offerings, including valuable items, animals, and sacrifices. Their offerings were presented over a 12-day period, symbolizing the unity and dedication of the tribes to God's service in the tabernacle. The chapter highlights the unity and cooperation of the 12 tribes in their offerings. In contemporary life, it underscores the importance of unity and collaboration among individuals, communities, and organizations to achieve common goals and serve a higher purpose. The leaders' offerings were generous and sacrificial, reflecting their commitment to God. Today, it encourages us to practice generosity and sacrificial giving, whether through financial contributions, acts of kindness, or dedicating our time and talents to causes that align with our faith and values. The consecration of the tabernacle was a significant event in the Israelites' journey, signifying their dedication to God's presence and service. Similarly, today's believers can consecrate themselves to God's service through prayer, worship, and a life committed to living out their faith. The tribal leaders took on a role of leadership and accountability by making these offerings. In modern life, leaders in various fields should embrace their responsibility to set an example of integrity, service, and dedication to their followers. The tabernacle was a symbol of God's presence among the Israelites. Today it reminds us to acknowledge God's presence in our lives, seeking His guidance, comfort, and strength in our daily challenges and decisions. The offerings were a celebration of the completion of the tabernacle. In our lives, it's essential to celebrate milestones and achievements, both individually and collectively, as a way to express gratitude and reinforce a sense of purpose and progress. In summary, number 7, 189 teaches us lessons about unity, generosity, consecration, leadership, acknowledging God's presence, and celebrating achievements. These principles can guide our actions and attitudes in today's life, fostering a sense of purpose, community, and spiritual growth in our faith journey.